Let's make brown stew turkey neck. So I wash my turkey neck in lemon juice and vinegar. So you want to cut your turkey neck into 2 to 3 pieces. You want to use your kitchen scissors or a knife and cut off the membrane. Okay? When you finish, you're just going to make sure your turkey neck is drained and pot dry them, okay? So I have all my vegetables here which I wash. I have all my colorful peppers, garlic. I'm going to add in ginger, spring onion slash scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme and onions. I'm going to add in potato, carrots, tomato, browning, allspice, pimento seed. So the spices, I'm going to add in all-purpose season, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, black pepper, and crushed allspice. And I'm going to put in 1 Maggie cube. This turkey neck have to be delicious. So I just combine all my spices and also going to add in green season. I will put the green season link in the description box below. I'm going to add in dry parsley and basil. Now we are going to marinate this turkey neck. So I add in my green season, my spices, guys. I also add some browning. You do not want to add too much browning because you do not want it to black. All right, you're making brown stewed turkey neck, not black stewed turkey neck. I'm going to add my Maggie cube. Now I add in all my herbs. You could marinate your meat and cook it the following day, or if you're in a rush, you could let it marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours. So I add in about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or oil of your choice and let it hot. Then I'm adding my turkey neck. Let it brown on both sides for at least 5 to 10 minutes. And you take them out and repeat. So when all the turkey neck is brown, I put all in the pot, and you're going to add all the herbs what you use to season the meat. Okay, and you're going to add about 4 cups of water. I add 1 scotch bonnet pepper and put your lid on and let it simmer for at least 30 minutes. Guys, it didn't cook, so I add like another cup of water. Then I add some more vegetables, onion, peppers, and I'm also going to add in the potato and carrot and the tomato. And I also add in like a 1/4 cup of ketchup. You could also use tomato paste. Put my lid on and let it simmer. So you want to taste to make sure it's seasoned to your liking. So for me, I add more all-purpose season, some more salt. I just add more spices to suitable for my liking. All right? So you just want to put the lid on and let it simmer until the vegetables is cooked. Wow, look at this yummylicious. Guys, please try this recipe. Let me know in the comment if you ever eat turkey neck. So I take out the scotch bonnet pepper. Guys, if you do not want to put a whole scotch bonnet pepper, you could just slice it like 1 or 2 pieces. I serve my turkey neck with rice and peas. You could also serve your turkey neck with boiled food. Please do not hesitate to subscribe, like, make a comment, and share. So from my kitchen to yours, have a blessed day. One love. Bye.